SmartFix. This keyless remote case allows you to simply replace a cracked or worn case. Convenient repair. Makes restoring a worn-out key fob easier by just replacing the cover. Seamless fit. Matches dimensions of original transmitter cover for a tight seal. Trustworthy protection. Keeps moisture and debris out of internal electronics. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Cracked or wore out your key fob case? Just replace the case with this convenient, affordable keyless entry transmitter cover, restoring the look and functionality. Vehicle model years. This part fits. Be sure to check your vehicle trim using the Amazon Garage. Top reviews from the United States. Nice upgrade for nasty worn-out key fob. Super easy to swap internal circuit board from existing fob into new shell. Wife loves the digital pink camo. Well done, Dorman.